Children throughout Israel are on their way back to school for the first time in nearly 2 months.
It wasn't that bad. It was okay, but it's better this way.
Yeah. In the city of Ramat Sharon, elementary schools like this one have been on lockdown, with thousands of families being indoors in quarantine from mid-March through the Passover holiday. Leah, are you ready to go back to school?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Are you excited to see your friends?
Yes.
Do you miss your teacher?
Really?
On last week's Israeli Independence Day, kids and us parents were literally set free to be able to interact with friends from a good social distance. But now, with national holidays done, time to go back to reality. Are you ready to go back to school?
No, we want to stay here. Yes. We actually like it.
Are you ready for the kids to go back to school?
Yes.
I'm a little bit ready to go back to school. I love being outside and playing.
While in quarantine, kids engaged in remote learning with homework and frequent Zoom classes with teachers and classmates. What did you like to learn the most when you were learning from home?
Math and the computer.
We need to build a better future.
And in our home, our Israeli kids even did a little extra credit with online English learning resources.
Turn to monkey. First, it was math, and second, it was English, and third, it was coding.
And we even found ways to get exercise while in captivity.
Like basic training. You get used to the first day, and then you follow the same day, same methods. Try to stay in line. That's the best way that works for them and work for us too as parents, I think.
Overall, families all over the world found creative ways to make the best of all this togetherness.
After a long time of being together, I'm going to miss them. And I'm also a little worried about the new routines at school and health and safety.
And at the end of the day, appreciating the most important things in life. Emily Francis, I-24 News.
Yo, I got it!